Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to activate your Amazon Influencer Program account and start monetizing your recommendations effectively. Let's dive in. Step 1. Ensure eligibility. Before you start, it's essential to ensure you meet the eligibility requirements for the Amazon Influencer Program. You should have a social media presence with a substantial following on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Step 2. Sign up for the program. 1. Go to the Amazon Influencer Program website. 2. Click on the Get Started button. 3. You will be prompted to sign in with your Amazon account. If you do not have one, click on Create your Amazon account, and follow the instructions to sign up. Step 3. Complete your application. 1. Once logged in, you will need to fill out the application form. 2. Provide the necessary information about your social media channels, including links to your profiles. 3. Answer questions about your audience size and engagement to help Amazon assess your eligibility. Step 4. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, wait for an email from Amazon regarding your approval status. This may take a few days, so be patient. Step 5. Create your unique Amazon storefront. Once you've been approved, log into your Amazon Influencer account. 1. Navigate to the Your Storefront section. 2. Customize your storefront by adding a profile picture, bio, and the products you love and recommend. 3. To add products, use the Add Products feature, which allows you to search for items on Amazon and add them directly to your store. Step 6. Start sharing your link. 1. Your unique storefront link will be available on your account dashboard. 2. Share this link across your social media platforms, in videos, or blogs. Make sure to encourage your followers to check out your recommendations. 3. Use engaging descriptions and visuals to drive traffic to your storefront. Step 7. Monitor your performance. 1. Keep track of your sales and performance through the Amazon Influencer dashboard. 2. Review metrics like clicks, conversion rates, and commissions to understand what works best and adjust your strategies accordingly. Step 8. Promote your storefront. 1. Incorporate the link in your YouTube videos, Instagram bios, or in tweets. 2. Consider creating dedicated content, showcasing your favorite products or honest reviews to increase engagement and inspire purchases. 3. Regularly update your storefront based on trends and products you believe your audience will love. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with more helpful tips and guides.